You're struggling to get that crucial deadline done. You've been staring at your monitor for hours, trying to meet the looming project requirements. But as you dive into the task, you realize your outdated PC just can't keep up with the demands of modern software. That's when you remember the Corsair Vengeance i8200 Gaming, a beast of a machine that's designed to tackle even the most resource-intensive projects with ease. Powered by NVIDIA Blackwell, GeForce RTX 50 series GPUs bring game-changing AI capabilities to gamers and creators. Multiply performance with NVIDIA DLSS4, generate images at unprecedented speed, and unleash your creativity with NVIDIA Studio. Imagine yourself working on a complex project, with multiple tabs open and the CPU humming along smoothly. The Corsair Vengeance i8200 Gaming makes it all possible, thanks to its liquid-cooled 14th Gen Intel Core CPU, which brings you dynamic CPU architecture so you can game and multitask without compromise, cooled by a Corsair i9-14900KF Elite Liquid CPU cooler. But what really gets this PC flying is the Corsair Dominator Titanium RGB DDR5 memory. With 11 individually addressable LEDs to illuminate your PC with spectacular customizable lighting, you'll be the envy of all your friends and colleagues. And with the system-wide RGB lighting, you can create synchronized light shows that react in real time to your gaming sessions or creative projects. The Corsair ICUE software takes it to the next level, allowing you to monitor your system's performance and instantly sync RGB lighting across all your ICUE-compatible Corsair RGB products. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just someone who loves tinkering with their PC, this software has got you covered. But don't just take our word for it. Once people try the Corsair Vengeance i8200 Gaming, they stop reaching for their old machines. The upgrade is so noticeable that everyone around them can feel the difference. Want to see the system in action? Watch as it takes on demanding tasks and projects with ease. You're on the cusp of unlocking your full creative potential. Imagine using this PC tomorrow morning and seeing exactly what you can accomplish. With the Corsair Vengeance i8200 Gaming, the possibilities are endless, and the performance is unmatched. Get ready to revolutionize your workflow and experience like never before. Check out the link below for the best price on this cutting-edge PC.